Welcome back to another lesson on trigonometry. Lately we've been talking a lot about sine and cosine, as you can see by these identities. So let's take a moment to discuss tangent for a bit. We see here tangent appears in this identity. Let's focus on angle sum. If I take this and this, so I have sine of alpha plus beta is equal to sine alpha cosine beta plus cosine alpha sine beta. What is cosine of alpha plus beta? Well, that's equal to cosine alpha cosine beta minus sine alpha sine beta. All right, now what if I divide sine over cosine is equal to tangent of alpha plus beta in this case? So if I divide the left-hand side, I will also have to divide the right-hand side.
I have sine alpha cosine beta plus cosine alpha sine beta all over cosine alpha cosine beta minus sine alpha sine beta.
So I have all this divided by what's on the bottom. Now, here is the trick. What if I divide each term, so there are 4 terms here, by cosine alpha cosine beta? So I have to do the same to all 4 terms. Cosine alpha cosine beta, cosine alpha cosine beta. Sine alpha over cosine alpha is tangent alpha. Cosine beta divided by itself is 1. Cosine alpha divided by cosine alpha is 1. Sine beta over cosine beta is tangent beta. All right, now cosine alpha cosine beta divided by itself is equal to 1 minus sine alpha over cosine alpha is tangent alpha. Sine beta over cosine beta, tangent beta. So, boom, we have tangent alpha plus beta is equal to this. Easy enough. Now, you can easily confirm without too much difficulty that tangent alpha minus beta, that simply involves this equation and this one. So we're flipping the signs. That's going to be tangent alpha minus tangent beta divided by 1 plus tangent alpha tangent beta. That's angle difference for tangent. I leave you to go through the details. Now, to make a double angle identity, it's easy enough. We just set tangent to theta. Well, that's the same as tangent of theta plus theta, which is equal to what? Tangent theta plus tangent theta over 1 plus tangent theta times tangent theta. Tangent plus itself is going to be 2 tangent of theta. 1 tangent times tangent is 1 plus tangent squared of theta. Did you catch my mistake? This in the bottom should be a negative sign, not positive. A timely reminder to always be aware of your positive and negative signs. All right, so this is equal to that. And let's see, how about a half angle identity? Tangent squared of theta is the same as sine squared over cosine squared. So I pick these two guys. That's going to be 1 minus cosine 2 theta divided by 2. Now, dividing is the same as multiplying by the reciprocal. So that's going to be 2 divided by 1 plus cosine 2 theta is equal to, my 2's cancel out, 1 minus cosine 2 theta over 1 plus cosine 2 theta. Okay. That concludes this lesson. To see more videos like this one, consider subscribing to my channel. That way, you will receive notifications when I post new lessons. Also, be sure to utilize the comment section below for any questions or suggestions you may have. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please click that like button. As always, thank you for watching. I will see you next time.